So in the last video, we saw many uses of the while loop and the for loop. And what I wanted just to show you here is that you can actually have nested for loops, meaning a loop inside of a loop. Now, I'm not going to ask you about nested for loops on exams, but I want you to just know that they are there. So what I did was I copied this code into my Mu and I executed it. And I want to see with you what's happening. So basically here we have a variable hours, and we're saying I want for hours in range 24. So this means I want all the numbers from 0 up to 23. So here hours is going to range from 0 to 23. And then immediately when I start the first hour, which is 0, right, because the first value is 0, it's going to come here and say, oh, I need to create another for loop for minutes. And so minutes is going to be from 0 up to 59, because that's what range does. So it's going to start off with minutes 0. Then it's going to come and it's going to find a third for loop that says for seconds in range 60. And now seconds is also going to be from 0 to 59, because that's what range 60 does. And then it meets here a print statement. So I started off with hours 0, minutes 0, seconds 0, and what is it that you want me to do? You want me to print 0, colon 0, colon 0. So it's printing 0, 0, 0. The hour is 0, the minute is 0, and the second is 0. After it does that, this seconds variable in the innermost loop is going to get updated to what? To 1. And so now it's going to print 0, 0, 1. Then it's going to get updated to 2, 0, 0, 2. So this inner loop is going to print all the seconds from 0 up to 59 for hour 0, minute 0. So if we scroll a little down, we find that it does that. It prints up to 59. Now, after it finishes printing to 59, what's going to happen? When it finishes printing to 59, this loop is done. So it's going to go up to this for loop and say, I am done. So minutes now is going to get updated to the next value, which is 1. And so now my minutes is 1. My hours is still 0, but my minutes has become 1. And then it goes and it meets this loop again. And again, it's going to create a for loop, a seconds variable that's going to start with 0. And it's going to print all the numbers 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2. So it's going to, again, print all the seconds up to 59. And that's what we see happening here. We start seeing that we're going to start printing 0, 1, and all the seconds again up to 59. And then when we reach 59, what's going to happen? The inner loop is done. So it goes and says, I am done. And so minutes now says, okay, I'm done with the value 1. I'm going to be 2. And it's going to keep doing that until the minutes reaches what number? 59. So this is going to print 0 every single minute from 1 to 59, from 0 to 59, with every second 0 to 59. So this is going to run until, I don't know if I can get to it exactly, but I need to see 0, 59, 59. And when I see 0, 59, 59, I am done. And then the hours is going to start with 1. It's going to take a while. Let's make it big. Oh, I missed it. 59. So here it's printing 0, 59, 55, 56, 57, 59. I am done with minutes 59. So now it's going to go and update the hours to the next one is 1. And then it's going to go start again, minutes with 0, seconds with 0, and it's going to continue. So basically what this code is doing, it's printing every single second of your day in a 24-hour day until you reach the end at hour 23, second 59, sorry, minute 59, second 59. So it's printing every second of your day. So this is just a fun example of how to use nested for loops. Now for the classwork for this portion of the chapter, what I want you to do once it loads, you're going to write a program that asks the user for how much money they have saved. Okay, now you're going to ask them for how much money until they saved until the user enters a value that you agree upon with, and the value that the classwork assignment says to use is 0. So you're going to say, how much did you save? And they're going to say 10. Then you're going to ask them, what's the next value? 20, 30. And then when they enter 0, you're going to be done. At the end, the program should print out how much money was saved. Now, I'm not able to show it to you, but you'll find it on the slides, and you'll find it on HackerRank to test your code.